everyone. We are group number 5 and we are going to understand how motivation can be a powerful tool for team success. An office where the team is working in silence on their respective tasks. The energy in the room is very low. The manager observes this from a distance.
Why does everybody seem so low? So low. If this continues, productivity will go down. I have to do something about it.
The manager realizes that there is a deeper root cause to this problem. He realizes that the key to successful team is motivation, and when he realizes this, he will tackle this problem head on.
Team's morale seems to be very low. If this continues, we might lose the project. I really need to think of some motivation strategies to motivate them.
The team gathers in the conference room for a debrief after successfully completing the project.
Thank you for coming. And I just wanted to check in with you guys because you seem really off lately. I just wanted to understand if there is something you want to talk about relating to your work or anything else, and if there is something that we can do to improve the situation.
Well, honestly, Dave, I've been putting in a lot of work, but it feels like no one really notices. I'm all about going the long mile, but some recognition will go a long way.
Honestly, Dave, I'm concerned about the forthcoming reorganization because I have been in the company for quite a long time and job security means quite a lot to me. And the fact that not knowing what the future holds distract me from focusing on my job.
Okay.
So Dave, contributing to my part, just doing the same things again and again. I see no excitement, no challenges, and I think my contribution will have no impact.
Dave, I'm still trying to find my place here. I don't know what I'm passionate about, and it's really getting hard for me to know what motivates me.
Thank you all for sharing. Now I've got the understanding that each one of you is motivated by different things. And I want to help you attain those things. Let's brainstorm some solutions.
The manager holds individual team meetings with each team member to discuss their concerns and their motivations in detail.
Hi, Dave.
Hi, Emma.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Have a seat. I just want to thank you for all your energy and dedication. You are doing such a fabulous job. I'm going to make sure we catch up on a regular basis so that I can give you the feedback and recognition that you deserve.
Well, thank you so much, Dave. It feels good to know that my efforts are being valued.
Okay. Hi Jyoti, please have a seat. So Jyoti, since we last talked, I understand that you need a new challenge. How do you feel about starting your own new project?
So that sounds great. I wanted more responsibility and opportunity for the work so that I could get engaged into work and it feel like I'm making a difference. So thank you for the opportunity.
No problem. You can start from tomorrow.
Thank you.
Hi Shreya, please have a seat. Shreya, I know that for you, the question of job security is very important. Let me put your mind at ease by assuring you that your experience in this team is not replaceable. We'll keep you updated on the changes and I will be able to help you in best possible way.
Dave, it was so good that my concerns are addressed. Thank you for being so supportive and attentive in resolving them.
Not a problem.
Thank you.
Hello, Dave.
Hi Meena, have a seat. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. So, Meena, let me help you investigate various aspects of your job to understand what truly drives you. We'll work together in finding your strengths and see what excites you the most about your work.
Your insights were really helpful, Dave. Thank you for taking out your precious time for me.
Not a problem. Keep excelling in your work.
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
The office a week later. The team seems more engaged and productive. The manager checks in with each team member to understand how they are doing.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi ma'am. How's your project going?
It's going great. I'm on track, and the regular check-ins have really helped me stay motivated.
Glad to hear that. Hi Shreya. How do you feel about the restructuring now?
I'm doing great now. Knowing that my job is secure, let's be focused on what I do best.
Glad to hear that. Hi Jyoti.
Hi there.
How's the project going?
It's going very nice. It feels like I'm making a big difference. Thanks for the opportunity there.
No problem. Continue. Hi Meena.
Hi, Dave.
So have you got the chance to explore more about your role?
Yes, I have. And I'm really enjoying this creative problem solving aspect of my job. And I think that is where my passion is.
Does it make you take?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for the motivation today.
I'm proud of how far we have come in this short period of time. Each one of you has grown immensely, and it has been showing very great outcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Motivation is a powerful tool. By understanding what drives each individual, leaders can make an environment where everyone thrives and which can lead to greater job satisfaction and great success.